It's very fitting that this award ceremony is for longevity. In a very short time, AUIB has become an esteemed and highly respected Tier 1, Research 1 university. We are well on our way to getting that Carnegie classification, which is huge. So we are among the most highly rated universities in the world. We have become a comprehensive teaching and research university that will be globally ranked and soon internationally accredited. When that first cohort of only a few hundred students began their studies, I was very excited to see the dream becoming a reality. But believe me, this will soon pale in comparison to the excitement we will all feel this coming May when our first commencement takes place and we witness over 50 students walking across the stage and receiving their degrees. It's an amazing accomplishment. As we now begin handing out these awards, let us remember the importance of every staff member, every faculty member, every member of the AUIB family, in whatever capacity they serve, as every one of us is important to the success of this institution. Thank you so very much for your service and the efforts you engage in every single day to make this institution the very best it can be.